Report on the diversity, density of seagull at Raichok and Kugrahati, East Midnapur, West Bengal. The Hooghly River stretch between Raichok, South Chব্বিশ Pargona and Kugrahati, East Midnapur is an important habitat for migratory water birds, particularly seagulls, during the winter season. This study focuses on the density and diversity of seagulls observed in this region and highlights their ecological significance and conservation concern. Field observation and review of regional avifaunal data reveal that the black-headed gull Crociocephalus rudibundus is the most commonly sighted species in this area. The flocks of gulls are frequently seen following ferry boats, feeding on the floating organic materials and resting on sandboard and mudflats along the river bank. Occasionally, the brown-headed gulls, Crociocephalus brunicephalus, and other migratory species may also appear during the peak winter month from November to February. The average flock of size generally range from 50 to 20 individuals depending on the time of day, tide, and human activity. The relative density of seagull along the 6-kilometer Raichok-Kugrahati stretch was estimated at approximately 20 to 25 birds per kilometer based on visual counts from the ferry route and fixed the shore-based observation points. Morning and late afternoon periods recorded high densities due to feeding and resting activities. The abundance of small fish, crustaceans, and organic waste in the river attract these birds. Seagull diversity in this area is moderate, with two main species dominating the population. However, this section of the Hooghly River acts as the essential feeding and roosting grounds of migratory gull traveling from Central and Northern Asia. Their presence indicates the ecological productivity and relatively open nature of the river channel. Threats to this gull population include river population, plastic waste, and disturbance from ferry movement and human activity along the ghats. Seasonal changes in water quality and food availability may also affect the gull density and migrating time. To conserve this bird's population, it is recommended to undertake the regular bird monitoring programs during the winter months, maintain the water quality, and control the plastic and organic waste discharge into the river. Awareness among local communities, ferry operators, and students can promote the protections of migratory birds in this area. In conclusion, the Raichok-Kugrahati stretch of the Hooghly River serves as a vital wintering site for seagulls in West Bengal. Periodic surveys and ecological monitoring will help track population trends and ensure the long-term conservation of these migratory bird species and their riverine habitats. Thank you for watching. I am Dr. Mrinal Kanti De, Senior Environmentalist, Ramnagar Adorsho High School. Video compiler Sangita Mondol. Thank you again.